everybody, what a novelty, I'm on a motorcycle going somewhere. I'm going to go up to the shops to get bits for the XJ6 build. I am still waiting on a couple of parts, but basically I have sourced them and I can kind of move forward with the current ones and change them in the future. So that's what I'm going to have to do. It's just getting stuff at the moment, it's very difficult. I was about to film the next episode, putting the brake lines and all that sort of stuff on, and then I remembered, I need to put the fender on, and I was like, oh yeah, the fenders, the plastics. I wanted to do some cleaning work to those, and I've got a clay bar, because I want to try and clay bar them, because they are just so nasty. I think it will actually help. So I was like, oh okay, that's fine, I'll just do that to that one thing before I get on the brake. Oh, hang on a minute, did I buy any lube? Oh, god damn it! Clay bar, you have to use a lube with it. None available on the island, so I'm going off the island to get it. So what have I been up to? So lately I've been basically waiting on parts and making what videos I can in between waiting for those parts. If I'd even thought ahead slightly with the clay bar thing, I just didn't realise it was at that stage yet. Oh well, you know. I have been spending quite a lot of my time when I've been at the computer working or just having a bit of a chill time with my patrons on Discord. We've been playing Ride 3 and we've been messing around the Minecraft server. There is a Minecraft server. Well, it's not really mine. They've named it after mine, but it's their deal. But I'm currently building a house in that. I have to say, getting the Discord up and running and getting it very active. I mean, there's nearly always people chatting in there, and nearly always people in the voice chats throughout the day and night. And it's just nice to get a bit of social interaction and chat with different people. So it's been really good actually. It's been really, really good fun. And it's amazing, like the other night while I was racing with people on Ride 3, I was like, you realise out of all the people that watch this channel, there's like 4 people here now racing with me. It's been really good fun, and if you want to be part of that and to get into the Discord, you need to join Patreon for as little as $1 a month, and it helps support this channel and helps me do what I do. So I think it's a pretty good deal, and everyone who's in there seems to be pretty happy with it, so thank you guys, I appreciate it. The good news is I actually don't have really that much to do on the XJ6 anymore. It is just a handful of small jobs and a bit of cleaning and a couple of paint chip repairs, that sort of stuff, and it's done. All in time for spring, lockdown ending, and us getting out there again and just going for a ride. You know, the other day I was watching back some old videos and like just seeing how one day I was like, oh, you know, I've done this and I thought I'd go for a ride, and it was like, it's such a, oh, it's going to be so freeing. I think hopefully once we all get out of lockdown, maybe the national mood will get better, because people are just going to be happy for the simple things. Just, you know, being out with mates, going down the pub, going to get some food somewhere, something like that. I think it's going to be, I hope it's going to be a time of peace rather than more arguments. And of course, in typical me fashion, the one day I actually do get to go for a ride, it's freezing cold. It's been like 12, 13 degrees some days, and I'm like, man, it'd be nice to go for a ride today. But I have things to do. I really do need to get the XJ6 done, because once it's done, hopefully lockdown will be over by that point, and I can get out on every single different bike I can, review bike. You know, I'm going to get some Triumphs done. There's a few other brands I want to touch on. I'm definitely going to be getting some more electrics, but some big electrics. Right, give me a moment, just need to go and grab these bits. Another cool thing that happened for the channel recently was that it hit 20 million video views, which is no small number. Okay, it's small compared to some channels, but I'm very happy with the way my channel's done. I'm ever so close to getting to the last 10,000 for the 100k, and I think when I get to 90,000 I'm going to put a nail in the wall ready for the play button, and that's going to be my inspiration to be like, why is there a nail hanging out the wall? Oh yeah, I need to get something to put on that. According to the figures, the projected figures, it will take 13 months for me to get to 100k from now. I know a lot of people think it's like this year, it's not growing that fast. You can help that if you like videos. That's something is a major problem I have, is trying to convince people to hit the like button. I regularly get about 100 or so less likes on my videos than people who are members of my Patreon and pay to watch them. It's quite funny. I think what it comes down to is the age range of people that watch my videos tend to be a little bit older and maybe don't think to like videos and stuff like that quite as much as the much younger generations do. But yes, thanks to every single one of you who has regularly liked videos and has already hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. You're the ones helping me forward with those numbers. Of course, it doesn't really mean anything. I just want to get the play button, you know? Because above that, it's 1 million, and that's like, well, that's just, I'm not even going to concede that ever happening, so that's fine. If I can get the silver one, that'd be cool. I've already made my 78,000 play button. These roads are so frustrating. This is a 30-mile-an-hour corner. You don't even have to roll off the throttle, you just lean. But at least it's safe, eh? But this narrow little bastard of a road is 40 mile an hour. Work that one out. Ooh, mud rare, you really don't want it to be on a bike. That's my line. That's it. Cyclist cars coming. Are they going to try and overtake him right into me? No, thankfully. Oh, they were though. Oh, that's another thing we were doing on Discord the other day. We were watching back some like motorcycle observation videos, road ragey type videos in the UK. Oh man, it infuriates so many of us. It's like, look, I'm not going to get into it because I'll start ranting, but it's just like, it's just when you've got a decent amount of riding experience, you just look at it like, oh god, it's the rider's fault again, and oh god, he's getting angry. That's the question actually. Have any of you had to come to terms with living in a jungle because your partner has embraced plant buying and growing during lockdown? Reno is slightly obsessed with her pot plants. She loves them, but I am sure it's one of the few things keeping her sane right now. Oh dear. That's how you are the ones keeping me sane, and hopefully if I can keep you entertained, I can keep you sane just a little bit. Well, I don't know about keeping you sane, but keep you entertained. So yeah, there should be lots of XJ6 movement coming soon, although a few of the jobs are a little finicky and take a bit of time compared to how much you see on the video, but I am on it, and I'm going to get it done quick snap over the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Okay, let's not put a time limit on it, that always makes it more stressful. Until the next one, bye bye.